Best New Convertibles of 2022 Part 2. Porsche 718 Boxster. Most convertibles are a romantic way to enjoy the open road, but the 2022 Porsche 718 Boxster takes it a step further with its joyous handling and eager turbocharged powertrains. It shares its chassis and mechanical parts with the similarly sporty 718 Cayman Coupe, but the Boxster's cloth top opens the cabin to fresh air and the freeing feeling of the wind in your hair. Base models come with a turbocharged horizontally opposed 4-cylinder, but speed freaks will gravitate toward the optional flat-6. BMW M4. The 2022 BMW M4 is just as exciting as its M3 sedan sibling, but only it's available as a coupe or soft-top convertible. Both make our editor's choice list. The base hardtop model comes exclusively with rear-wheel drive, a satisfying manual transmission, and a thrilling 473 horsepower twin-turbo straight-six. The competition variant gets an enhanced 503 horsepower engine, a snappy automatic gearbox, and unique chassis tuning that should culminate in quicker lap times at the local racetrack. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. There are sportier alternatives to the 2022 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, but few are as seamlessly high-class and high-tech. While the behind-the-wheel experience isn't as exciting as that of its AMG-tuned twin, the separately reviewed 429 horsepower E53, the regular E, is subdued and serene. Its cabin is beautifully appointed, remarkably quiet, and fitted with flashy tech features such as the dual displays embedded in its dashboard. The E350 sedan is powered by a common for the segment Turbo 4, but the E450 enjoys a sweet turbocharged straight-six. Mercedes-AMG E-Class. The 2022 Mercedes-AMG E53 doesn't compromise sportiness for luxuriousness, and vice versa, making it a complete and compelling machine. It also makes our 2022 Editor's Choice list. As with the regular Benz-branded E-Class, the enhanced by AMG E53 is available as a sedan, coupe, or cabriolet and boasts a beautifully appointed and well-equipped interior. Unique to this AMG Tune Trio is a rich-sounding turbocharged straight six-cylinder engine that pairs with an electric supercharger to produce an uninterrupted 429 horsepower. Porsche 911. With transcendent driving traits and terrific twin-turbo flat-six engines, the 2022 Porsche 911 is a nearly flawless sports car, and it's an obvious editor's choice winner. Apart from being too expensive for most enthusiasts, Porsche's iconic 2+2-seater is as immersive as it is versatile. Along with the aforementioned flat-six, which produces a distinctive snarl and makes between 379 and 473 horsepower, we review the higher-powered GT3 and turbo variants separately. The lineup offers a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic or manual transmission and rear or all-wheel drive. Porsche 911 Turbo. The 2022 Porsche 911 Turbo and Turbo S, which come in familiar, understated coupe and cabriolet body styles, are the pinnacle of the automaker's most revered nameplate. At their heart, albeit located in their tails, is a twin-turbo 3.7-liter flat-six that develops 573 horsepower in the Turbo and 640 in the Turbo S. Along with spine-tingling yawps at stratospheric RPM, the engine delivers neck-snapping acceleration. Aston Martin Vantage. A sports car's primary mission is to make the driver feel behind the wheel, and the beautiful 2022 Aston Martin Vantage does all that while making heads turn everywhere it goes. Its central shape, available with a fixed roof or a retractable soft top, is classic sports car stuff, with a long hood and wide haunches. Mercedes-AMG SL Class. With a legacy that stretches back all the way to the original 300 SL Gullwing, the 2022 Mercedes-AMG SL Class is an automotive icon. Recent examples haven't been as impressive as expected, and a host of newer two-door, four-seat Grand Touring convertibles have rendered it obsolete. But the new generation SL is taking a sportier tack and will be offered only with an AMG badge. The entry-level SL55 is powered by a 469 horsepower twin-turbo V8, while the racier SL63 gets a 577 horsepower version of that same motor.